Hey everyone, this is part 3 and the final part of this journey that we've had from Central Oregon down to Southern. Now we're back in Central Oregon, making our way back home, having a quick stop, a night here in Deschutes National Forest, which is our favorite. I just picked up my fishing license for the day and I'm going to give the Metolius a shot. My expectations aren't very high, but it'll be fun just to be out there and give my hand at some fly fishing. Since I'm not quite sure if this fly fishing thing is really for me, I haven't invested in waders yet. So unlike Jason, I have to fish from the banks of the river. I found this a bit challenging due to all the trees and bushes I kept getting snagged on. It made casting very difficult and awkward. So our little pop-up fire pit we bought works really well. It does what it's supposed to do, but the frame got bent somehow, so we weren't able to collapse it, or once we did get it collapsed, we couldn't get it open again. And so that doesn't work. So now Jason is improvising to try to get the same effect in this fire pit with the leftover parts of our pop-up pit.
Yeah, the pop-up pit works great, but it's about as fragile as grandma's china.
Yeah, after just 2 uses, well, 1 use it bent. After the second use, the screen already tore, which it's not supposed to do. So we're gonna contact the company and see what they can do for us as far as replacement parts or whatnot. But let's see what he's MacGyvering over here. Well, we weren't very pleased with the customer service we received once contacting the company. All we wanted was some help with some replacement parts, and the response we received was not very helpful. Jason, the cost to replace those 2 items would be equal to another pop-up fire pit. The frame was designed to hold over 125 pounds repeatedly. We are not sure how this would have happened unless it was way over the recommended weight or the fire was much larger than what our instructions stated. Well, we never once put anything over the recommended weight, and we kept all fires at what was stated or smaller. Needless to say, we literally burned $140 and will not be purchasing another pit through them again. Tonight we have a special treat of my famous to just like 3 people, Campfire Pizza. Yes, pizza in a cast iron over the campfire. It's really good. That's what we're having tonight. Mm-hmm.
That's so good. So much cheese.
Yep. I later took advantage of the warm, shining sun and spent some quality time in the hammock with Sammy. As the sun began to settle behind the trees, the air cooled and we spent the rest of the evening around the fire. The next morning, as I was enjoying my coffee, I couldn't help but notice all of the beautiful nature that surrounded us. Well, I think that's about it, guys. Thanks for coming along on this 6-day journey across Central and Southern Oregon with us. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2, they'll be up here at the very end of the video. And this is a great trip, and I really enjoyed fly fishing. I was actually surprised I got a couple bites, way more than I thought I would get. So we're just gonna do a little bit more fishing out here, and we'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, leave us some comments, all that fun stuff. Bye, guys.